bà trai ngọt nửa rồi hả na tầm ngọt rồi hả tầm ngọt. Yes, a lot of fish die because very hot. Yeah, ngọt vậy nó. Because very hot day from yesterday and today is a lot of fish die. Yeah, so much. Wow, so much fish die. Okay. Why there are fish die? Because they are very hot water. Nè hả nổ
tụi ai còn đâu vô cái rong nó mà chạy kia.
Yes, a lot of fish, so I want to show you that all fish die. It's still more die. Still more die because very hot. Yes, continue. Yes, this, yes, this, yeah, nearly die now. Yes, because it's hot. Yes, it's hot day. Yes, so it's hot day, so make it die. They nearly die now. You see? Yeah. Yeah, so this all the fish. Yeah. Fish. Because the water hot. Yes, so much fish die. Yes, wow, so much fish die. Wow, so sad. With a lot of fish die. Yes. How can we imagine a lot of that fish die? Yes. So how much imagine? You see? You see fish die. Yes. So much a lot fish. You see? So much. So much. Okay. You see? So much big fish, right? Yeah, fish die. You see? How imagine this one is nearly die. Yes, they run. Yes. Nearly die. It's nearly die now. Okay. See? A lot of fish. Yes, nearly die. Nearly die. Nè con. Nè. No. Ngọt quá đó.
Anh ấy tay ở gì vậy?
Đến hư. Nhiều ai cho rồi mà nè.
Đó là
Nè, mày chạy. Đi chạy. Anh đã rất khăn nông trên tay kìa. Rồi nè, thay. Nó cọp tức là nó thay à. No. Nó cọp phóc là nó đá không phóc được hơi nó ngay. Yes, die.